Section 6.1 is all about calculating sales tax. So sales tax is just the tax on the selling price of an item or service that you purchase, and it's per $1. So if your sales tax is 7%, that means for every dollar that you are buying, you have to also pay 7 cents for each dollar. So the way that we calculate sales tax is we take the total selling price and then we multiply that times the sales tax rate. And for the sales tax rate, we have to remember to convert this into a decimal first. So let's look at what that looks like. I'm going to take this background off because it's kind of annoying and in the way. All right, so Alex bought a cell phone for $199.95 and a phone case for $19.95. And we want to find the total sales tax if he lives in Austin, Texas, where the sales tax is 6.25% and the city tax is 2%. So first thing we want to do is calculate the total selling price. So the selling price is just like the subtotal, right? So if you've ever gone to Walmart or Hy-Vee and you look at the bottom, you usually see like a subtotal, a tax, and a total. And so what we're going to be calculating today are the subtotal and the tax amount. So right now this is like the subtotal. So we're going to take the $199.95 and we're going to add the $19.95 to it. And so I believe that would be $219.90. So the total selling price, the subtotal of everything that he's buying is $219.90. And so to find the sales tax, what we have to do is we have to add these tax amounts together. So 2% is the city tax. So usually states will have their sales tax amount and cities will have their own, sometimes like penny taxes that they add on. So you just add those two together. So if you have, think about it like in terms of money. If you have $6.25 and you add $2 to it, you now have $8.25. So this is your sales tax rate. And in order to turn that into a decimal, we're just going to bump that decimal point over 2 places. And we have to fill in a 0 here because we have a blank space. So we're going to take this $219.90 and we're going to multiply it times our tax rate, 0.0825. And the amount of sales tax. So when we type that into the calculator, what we get is 18.14175. Now, we are dealing with money. And when we deal with money, we are only taking these right here, but we have to make sure that we round correctly. So in order to round correctly, we need to look at this number that's directly after the last digit in our cost. If this number is 5 or above, then this amount is going to bump up by a penny. If this amount is 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, then this number is going to stay exactly the same. Since this is a 1, our tax amount is going to be $18.14.